Hi, I'm Michelle.
And I'm Melissa. We have compiled a collection of materials for you to use as you introduce the topic of money, in particular coins. In the lesson kit, we have included a plan for the lesson, specific materials needed for the lesson, and additional materials for the differential instruction.
Like we said earlier, our lesson is for you to use in your classroom to introduce coins. And we have attached the lesson plan to the lesson kit. But I'm going to go I'm going to say a brief introduction about the lesson and how we suggest that you guys can implement it in your classroom. So first off, we're going to have you do a quick introduction of the coins, so just having the actual coins with you and holding them up and showing your class, like this is the quarter, this is the dime, this is the nickel, and this is the penny, and just explain the importance of these coins. So say you all like going to the toy store and buying toys, you all like going to a baseball game and buying popcorn and hot dogs, and just get the students interested by including their interest into money. So pretty much just connecting to what they like to buy and explain that that's why it's important to learn about money and about what each of these coins represent. After you kind of introduce the lesson, you're going to start with the activity. And the activity that we've created is we're going to be doing an activity sheet as well as like an introduction to the coins. So you're going to pass out a baggie of coins to each student, and the baggie is going to contain the quarter, the nickel, the dime, and the penny. So each student is going to have one of each coin, and you're going to give them just a few minutes to kind of mess around with the coin, hold it, look at it, and get familiar with it. And after that, you're going to do the color by coin activity sheet, which looks like this. And we have attached this to the lesson plan kit as well. But how this activity sheet works is each coin down here is designated by a different color. So the quarters will be blue, I guess. And so the coins right here are the fronts and backs of all of the different coins that the students would have been working with today. And the students will have to color all of the quarters blue and all of the nickels green, all of the dimes yellow, and all of the pennies red. And that can be done using crayons, colored pencils, markers, or any other coloring utensils that you guys use in the room. And that can be done individually, or it can be done in partners, or it can even be projected on the whiteboard or a smart board, and it can be done together as a class as well. After that, if it goes well, we have also created an exit slip that will be able to be used as well. What's on the exit slip is a picture of each of the coins, and the students are just going to have to identify by name which coin that is. And being in the education program, Alyssa and I both know that differentiated instruction is really, really important. So we've also attached different additional materials that you can use to substitute the color by coin activity sheet, or as an additional activity later on in the unit about coins and about money. The first one's really cool. It's called a money booklet, and this one happens to be all about the penny, and it shows a picture of the penny right here, and when you open it up, it shows that this is the front of the penny and this is the back of the penny, and a penny is worth 1 cent. And we have attached all of the books for all the coins, and this is what it looks like printed out, and you will just fold it on the dotted lines to make it look like this booklet.
The next two activities we have are from the website abcya.com, and the first one is a money bingo, and you can select the type of game you want. You can use pennies and nickels, nickels and dimes, or you can do all coins. So that's one way to learn about the coins. And the last activity is an interactive video about the coins that just tell you about the different kinds of coins.
Alright, so we hope that you liked our lesson and that you are able to use it in your classroom one day.